Howdy, folks. Welcome to another episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips, your go-to source for all things maintenance. I'm Henry Rodriguez, and we're here today diving into a topic that doesn't get much attention, but is absolutely crucial: the importance of professional drain cleaning services. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. We've all been there before, dealing with a slow drain or worse, a complete clog. It's frustrating, messy, and can even lead to more serious issues. You might be thinking, I can handle this with a plunger, right? Well, sometimes. But here's the thing. Professional drain cleaning services go beyond plungers. Our expert technicians use specialized equipment to ensure a thorough, long-lasting solution. By opting for professional services, you're not just addressing the immediate problem, you're preventing future issues. Take a look at this. We use advanced camera technology to inspect your pipes, identifying potential problems before they become major headaches. Here's what the camera sees. It's like giving your pipes a checkup, ensuring everything is flowing smoothly. Now let's talk about one of our most effective methods: hydrojetting. Hydrojetting uses high-pressure water to blast away grease, debris, and even tree roots that can clog your drains. It's like giving your pipes a spa day, leaving them squeaky clean and flowing freely. So there you have it, the importance of professional drain cleaning services. It's not just about a clog. It's about ensuring the health and longevity of your plumbing drain system. If you're ready to say goodbye to drain troubles, Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing is here to help. Thanks for tuning in to Goettl Homeowner Tips, your partner in home maintenance. Until next time, may your drains continue to flow smoothly.